Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn how to generate and manage an invoice. From the home page, open CRM and go to the Invoices module. Here you'll find all your invoices. To raise a new one, click Create. On the Add Invoice form, begin by selecting the linked delivery order. OEMup automatically carries forward the customer, consignee, billing and delivery addresses, and the delivered items, so there's no need to re-enter anything. Choose the invoice type, such as tax, credit, debit, retail, CES, or export invoice, to suit the transaction. The line items, taxes, and totals are calculated automatically. You can apply a TDS section if required, and OEMup computes the subtotal, tax amount, round-off, and grand total, along with the amount in words. Add an invoice header or footer if needed, then save to generate the invoice. The invoice is produced as a GST-compliant tax invoice on your company letterhead, with the buyer and consignee details, HS codes, tax breakup, and totals. The saved invoice opens in Detail View, where you can edit it at any time. You can download the invoice in any standard copy format: original for the buyer, duplicate for the transporter, triplicate for the supplier, or an extra and combined copy, each clearly marked on the PDF. The invoice can also be sent directly using SendMail. Generate a print label for the shipment, and produce the e-way bill PDF, pre-filled with the supplier, recipient, transport, and goods details for compliance. That's how you can generate and manage an invoice in OEMup.